Hello and welcome back in this brand new video. So today we will be promoting our CPU offers from ClickBank and promoting it in Twitter. Okay, so the strategy is new. I won't be telling you the previous one. The strategy is new. So let's get started. At first, you have to log into your ClickBank account, come to Marketplace, and click on Internet Businesses and E-Marketing. And then for today tutorial, I have selected the first one. According to your interest, you can promote others offer also. Okay, just grab your affiliate link from here in this place, and then uh, come to any landing page provider. You can create from any website. Okay, you can either use Google Sites, GetResponse, Mailchimp, mm, we can say that Linktree or other uh, sites, whichever you want. Okay, I'm showing you here because they have Black Friday sale going on, 40% off on GetResponse. Even you will be getting 30-day free trial. You can use premium service within this 30-day. You can use this. I will leave link in description. Okay, so I am already done with landing pages. I won't waste your time, so you can create your own landing page according to the offers which you are promoting. Okay, and then just get your landing page link. I am done with that. Also, I have written here the text which I will be posting over Twitter. Okay, this is my landing page link. Then come to a site which is called trends24.in. Okay, this is the site. Here you will be getting the trending topic which are uh, trending on Twitter. Okay, you can see worldwide these topics are already trending. If you want to be specific towards any country or location, then you can also do that. If you will see United States, so these topics are trending in United States. Okay, so as for now I will be targeting worldwide, so I have chosen worldwide. And let's move on to the strategy. Just click, let's copy our text and come over to Twitter, and let's tweet, paste, and then just you have to paste it over here again. Copy and paste over here. Okay, we are done with two hashtags. Again we will be using more. The third one is also completed. You can also tag these accounts. Okay, you can also tag this account if you wish to. Let me see. Yes, if you are willing to tag, then just click. Yes, we are done with that. Okay, again let's see another drawing now. Okay, I want tag now. Yes, 17 characters left. Let me choose Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, Thanksgiving. Yes, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Yes. Then we will tweet here. Okay. When we'll tweet, then you will see them. Just wait for few seconds. If you click on analytics, then yes, already one impression. Close. Click here. 5 impression. Okay. Why I have used the landing page, because if you will directly link your offer here, then maybe visitor will give you a red flag, and you can your account would be banned from Twitter. Okay, this is the reason. And even if you are banned many times again and again, then maybe your CPA offer account also will be blocked. You will be blocked. Okay, so you have to be careful from being blocked from all of the platform. So in order to do so, you have to use landing page. Okay, so this is the way which I have shown you. You can at first come to your CPA offer platform, choose any. So you can promote CPA grip, CPA lead, AdWork Media, or any other platform whichever you are using. So you can choose offer from there, create landing page according to your choice, and then just uh, get some trending topics here and tag it with your post, with your tweet. Even give a hashtag with your tweet. Okay, this is the way you will be posting in you will be tweeting over Twitter. Okay, and you will click, see 9 engagement already done. If you can, if you will target a specific country, then it will be good. You will see few hours ago I have already posted. If you can see, let's see here. Okay, this I have done 54 minutes ago. 219 impressions already I have got, and two of them have clicked over my link. Okay, and just we have posted this one. 10 impression we have got already. Until now we haven't received any click over our link. Yeah, we will be waiting, and it is tweet is there over Twitter. So when anyone come here, they will click on this thing and redirect it to the offer link. Okay, landing page and then offer. So this is the way you will be promoting, and try to be consistent so that you may see result. Okay, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video.